Brought to you by the Asombro Institute for Science Education.
When the USDA's Southwest Climate Hub was formed in 2014, the project team recognized the importance of working with K-12 students, the future agriculture and natural resource managers who will need to make climate-informed decisions. To meet this need, the Southwest Climate Hub partnered with the Asombro Institute for Science Education, an award-winning nonprofit organization with 30 years of experience translating science for the K-12 community. Asombro has developed hands-on science units that allow middle and high school students to investigate, analyze, and gain a deep understanding of climate change in the Southwest. Within these units, there are 17 Climate Hub lessons freely available online to teachers and other educators. Whether conducted individually or as a full unit, these activities help students explore the latest in climate change science. In the Climate Change in the Water Cycle unit, students get up and get moving with the kinesthetic game called Ready, Set, Grow. Students play the roles of water-intensive and drought-tolerant plants to understand the effects of climate change on water availability for primary producers. In Climate Data Jam, students analyze local climate data from Southwest Climate Hub precipitation and temperature map databases. They then showcase the data by developing a creative project such as a song or a puppet show to communicate the data trend to non-scientists. In the Effects of Climate Change on Agricultural Systems unit, students investigate the effects of the erosion of topsoil by extreme weather events in an activity called Washed Away. Students see a demonstration model of topsoil erosion on a farm during an extreme precipitation event and use a soil nutrient kit to compare the nutrients of the topsoil and a lower layer of soil. They also use Soil Web, a web-based tool to examine characteristics of agricultural land in 3 locations and locally. In the Climate Change in the Carbon Cycle unit, high school students explore how humans affect the carbon cycle. In a lesson called Up in the Air, they use beanbags and a board game to qualitatively and quantitatively model the carbon cycle. They track increases in atmospheric carbon dioxide and identify fossil fuels as the major source. The team is currently working on a 4th unit, Climate Change and Wildfire, which will have students building and burning model forests, analyzing wildfire data, and making management decisions. These climate change lessons were designed to be easy for educators to use and incorporate into their classrooms, clubs, and camps using inexpensive materials. They're aligned with next-generation science standards, which provide the framework for science standards in 44 states in the U.S. Each lesson has been through multiple rounds of pilot testing in classrooms, as well as rigorous review by both scientists and educators. Lessons broaden the impact of current climate change research by transferring information, tools, and data from the Southwest Climate Hub team to students and educators. How can you support climate change education? Please share these resources with educators, teachers, or those who work with them. Links to all these climate change units can be found at asombro.org/climate.